The market is at a crossroads, and where it goes next has big implications across asset classes. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your complete global indices roundup for June 30th. It is a split session across global markets. This comes as Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off investors business daily, adding pressure to energy markets. Let us go region by region across the major global indices. Starting with the Americas session. S&P 500 is up plus 1.18%, trading at $7,440.43. Equity markets are responding to reports that Wall Street is getting trampled by an RE sell-off. South Korean market plunges 10%, CNN. NASDAQ 100 is up plus 2.25%, trading at $29,775. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off investors business daily. Dow Jones edged higher plus 0.59% to $52,183. Equity markets are responding to reports that stock market today, Dow rises, S&P 500 and NASDAQ slip as RE jitters return ahead of Micron earnings, Yahoo Finance. Starting with the Europe session. DAX is down minus 1.47%, trading at $24,627. This comes as Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off investors business daily, adding pressure to energy markets. FTSE 100 is trading lower by minus 0.23%, at $10,484. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Starting with the Asia session. Nikkei 225 made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 4% to $69,468. The move in the dollar reflects reports that gold slides as Fed stance, strong dollar outweigh safe haven demand, MSN. Hang Seng dropped sharply minus 1.76% to $22,672. Traders are reacting to news that BHP, ASX, BHP, slips as iron ore weakness puts mining giants under pressure, Calkine. Kospi plunged minus 6% to $8,394.65 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off investors business daily. Nifty 50 is trading lower by minus 0.31%, at $23,946. Equity markets are responding to reports that Wall Street is getting trampled by an RE sell-off. South Korean market plunges 10%, CNN. Sensex is trading lower by minus 0.34%, at $76,728. Equity markets are responding to reports that Wall Street is getting trampled by an RE sell-off. South Korean market plunges 10%, CNN. ASX 200 is trading higher by plus 0.85%, at $8,823.40. Traders are reacting to news that BHP, ASX, BHP, slips as iron ore weakness puts mining giants under pressure, Calkine. Now, a look at some of India's most active stocks in the news today. Bajaj Finance is trading lower by minus 0.90%, at 982.05 Indian rupees. Consumer durable financing and personal loans are growing, but the market is watching credit quality in a slower growth environment. The EMI card business and co-branded credit card partnerships are the emerging fee income drivers. Watch for any commentary on the Q-on-Q credit cost trend. ICICI Bank edged higher plus 1.02% to 1,387.60 Indian rupees. Fee income growth from digital transactions and credit card spends is compounding well above the loan book growth rate. The iMobile app engagement data is a leading indicator of cross-sell success. Any commentary on the unsecured loan book quality would be closely watched as consumer leverage in India builds. Now let us look at what is driving these moves at the macro level. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. This comes as Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off investors business daily, adding pressure to energy markets. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by What's Moving Markets. Equity markets are responding to reports that stock market today, Dow rises, S&P 500 and NASDAQ slip as RE jitters return ahead of Micron earnings, Yahoo Finance. And looking at how some of the biggest global names are trading today. Rocket Lab surged plus 15.93% to $98.01 in a significant session. Government launch contracts with the US DoD provide baseline revenue visibility. The Electron rocket utilization rate is the near-term earnings driver. Any contract win announcement or NASA mission assignment would be a meaningful positive catalyst for the stock. TSMC surged plus 5.25% to $455.06 in a significant session. AI chip demand has created a demand floor that insulates TSMC from the consumer electronics cycle. High-NA EUV ramp at N2 and beyond represents a technology advantage no competitor can replicate for years. Watch the next earnings call for any commentary on 2026 capacity allocation. ASML surged plus 4.93% to $1,883.11 in a significant session. High-NA EUV shipments are the growth engine. Demand from TSMC, Samsung, and Intel for the most advanced nodes is exceptional. The backlog visibility is multi-year. China export restriction risk is the key overhang. Any news on high-NA throughput improvements would be a catalyst. Let us give you our near-term view on the KOSPI. With the selling pressure we have seen today, the key support level for KOSPI is around $7,890.97. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline and attract further sellers. For a recovery, bulls need to see a fundamental shift in the drivers weighing on prices. This is our view. Always do your own research. To summarize, 4 indices in the green, 9 in the red today. A clear risk-off tone is prevailing across global equities. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We do the research so you do not have to hours of analysis distilled into actionable daily briefings. If that is valuable, please hit the like button. It is the single best way to support independent market analysis and help us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for tomorrow's briefing. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your global indices roundup from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily updates across every major market.